Cyberbullying and cyber war is really going on as we dey talk right now between the people of Edo State. And what is going on here? Since the Yoruba Oduduwa nation released the map of their where their country reach, they add all the whole people from Edo State join inside that map. And those people now don't come outside. They can't talk say they no even do anything to do with Benin. Despite say they call them Edo State currently. The Isan people and Uromi and other people for inside that Edo State. Now them, if you watch this video I go play right now, you go hear any Edo man will come up there can talk. Ishia people, the Isako and the Uromi, they go tear the person immediately. They don't want even where the person talk. Things are really going on. This one is what they called internal war is going on between the people of Edo State and the Igbos, Yoruba and Igbo. I also never joined the social media war, but I believe most of them are still there. So my people, before we play this video, just go and follow our new page, about this vlog immediately, because they don't find the other one we will create. So don't come out with another one. So follow that page so you're gonna get our update as it they go. Now watch this video from beginning to end. May you see what they go on as we talk right now.
You know go better for your mama, your shower mama. Your mama where do a shower they born you? If we check her now, you don't get papa for us. Now single mother raise you. You are very stupid. See, I'll learn you. Don't owe your ears as they talk to you. So may Ogudo kill you. Any day where you see Lily, run. If not, Ogo kill you that day. I tell you day, I'll find you. They go big shake come up for your body. Ogo kill you. The trace. No, go talk to your people. Where starts this thing? Then they counter your people. You come out. Who born this as a fly? Who born you?
I'm alright. If you finish, you tell me my drop him. I know what me talk anything.
Drop no go talk. Good job. You know
they talk. You know they talk. You know they talk anything.
You are talk. People saga. Today.
These people this say this one. That's not going to do those bad.
They laugh since.
Leave that picture for there.
On second side, Benin people.
Make the cost enter for this small.
Now two plot empire. Now you sabi the way when they do these people. When they come here, they will use them play before we drop them.
Nah.
You understand?
Yes,
as that broadcast with one eye come, I mute him mama to mute and they frustrated. I mean mute him mama to tire. You know go talk anything. These BD people say they not sabi do saga. When we see anything where you put body, they know they come up body again. These people don't understand.
If Oba
they don't know the pattern where we use
Arrow, if Oba no beg, we not the rest. That's just the headline. We did TikTok, we did.
Oba go die very soon. Maybe he go chop our yam. He go die.
You for grand. Now
you messed with the wrong generation.
You guys
bulletin. I bet we know who be this bulletin. Who goes you? Who be this?
Small rants.
Unmute yourself.
Oh yeah, bulletin. Mute your mic.
Another problem.
I saw your name. I bet.
You say?
No bulletin at the top.
Una hear me?
Yes.
Who you be?
Okay, me I be from I be Robo boy from Delta.
Okay. What's happen?
I don't trust him. I don't trust this person though.
FBI, wait.
Okoro waiting there. I speak my own language, maybe yeah. Okoro waiting there.
We don't care whether you speak or you don't speak. Even speak
FBI, wait now, beg. Where you for come for Robo?
So waiting here.
Go on, bulletin.
Where you for come for Robo?
Mom of Yoria, I be of Yoria Peking. For a true East local government.
My husband now Robo. I won't carry for go give am so.
Of Yoria under Agbon Kingdom. Agbon Kingdom.
You cannot convince me. I have heard it and I've digested it.
Okay, hold on, Amara. Make it talk. What you make you call, brother?
Okay, see wetin I want. I no need too much time. The thing where they really vex me for this Igbo now this their map. Because many times, anytime I get opportunity to talk with any of them, whether in person.
Which people you dey talk abeg? Wait, we no hear am. You say which people you talk about, Mark? Unmute yourself.
You dey hear me now?
Which people you dey talk about, Mark?
Igbo.
Wetin happen?
True now.
Wait now.
Na wow. I said the
Okay.
wow. I said the thing where they really vex me for Igbo, the thing where they really vex me for them, they say, now this their map where they do, where they include us.
Okay, they don't remove you.
Na bastard. Na bastard now. You know
Ngbada. Oh yeah, Ogu kill you today. Business woman. Wetin happen?
Franca,
Who be
hold
Ugbada?
on. Franca, why are you here?
What I do?
I say, why are you here?
Sister, you better send our sister.
What have I done?
No be our
Hold
sister.
on. Nah,
This one they go
you two dey rush. You two dey rush. Hold
join
on.
platform. Go
You
dey
can be
insult people.
your sister.
Nee, na
Alpha,
me
Franca, why
na
are you
Mira be
here,
this
Franca?
na.
Who?
Na Mira na.
Na Mira.
Mira. Okay.
Okay.
No,
You
he
see,
came
I
out to
know.
answer now. He came out to answer for himself.
Okay. No put Ngbada. One Ngbada. Ibrahim Musa.
Ibrahim on mute.
Ibrahim Musa. Ibrahim Musa, who dey kill you?
Leave am first because I see him comment for this thing. Wait, make you on mute first. If you know on mute, then I go carry am down. Ibrahim, he be like Igbo person because I see one comment to it drop. I talk and say na Igbo. Okay, side this na Igbo.
I'm one from Imo State. I'm Onyolo.
Onye
na ịma na ndị bili na-ekele m all too much.
I dey plan to go social media blog today. I wan go work on their head.
Franca, you get luck.
Action bulletin. You not be robo boy. House banana. I say you not be robo. Because they shake hand for me. They call the time where you talk. You not be robo now.
Franca get luck. Franca be one collect straight bullets now. Ibrahim, case ID which ni bonyo.
One minute.
Your contribution. Franca, for collect straight bullet, everybody they parody that. Then be one enter you, boy.
No, I know say our people. I know him.
Ibrahim, how you going to contribute? Tell us. Contribute. Marawit first. Make him tell us.
Alegbo, the real Robo. Obuki, you idiot.
All this is well na dey see. You know pass jealous.
The lie say you go fit from Urobo. Write the name of your city for that place now. Make I go ask my husband. Ogu kill you.
Amara, no worry. Now we don't carry and go down. Nothing concern us with the boy again. Na bastard. Be. I beg Ibrahim continue.
I know they like that kind of thing. They like.
No worry. May we hear Ibrahim submission. Ibrahim Babangida. This one way the answer I will send him. I'm one way.
You don't pass jealous. Nine they disturb all of them. You understand? Because all these things where they do, if you look and go from up to down, na jealous. You understand?
Pashisha na you be.
Because they no reach nothing. They no reach anywhere at all. You understand? Sometimes if you not see them, no, they ignore them. Because na people will not get shame. They no get shame at all. You get what in Bible talk, people where they there for sin, still they proud of that sin where they there. Now where they be. You understand? They no get single shame.
But that when you say we are one.
You understand? I cannot be so they will come here, they talk rubbish, they cause. People where they cause better pass them times 1 million. Big pass them times 1 million. The thing say maybe if this is where they talk or maybe anything where they think say what happened now, the thing say maybe in a cultist war or something like that. I dey tell them, make them go ask wetin happen 1967. Now that thing nine go show them say we and them no be met for any level.
Ibrahim, I hope say Ibrahim, I hope say you know the same way we leave these people because this thing where they start, you know go finish. No talk say me we no leave them. We no go leave them.
No, I not talk say me we leave them. But
I want me state and clear, make our people know. Because we go paro, we dey paro for here. We know they leave these people until we get all by their head. All by head now we need before we go stop.
Bro,
Chop our Oba go chop our yam. Oba take your mouth chop that yam. That mouth go kill that yam when he chop go kill him.
you know, say everything what they do now imitate. Now what they imitate. You devise them say out of the
Republic, now you be OGK, you dey mad. Your mama dey make now wait, make I talk to this idiot. Where they down for here? I don't go ask my husband the meaning of what they talk. Your mama dey mad. Your generation dey mad. Ogu kill you. Ogu kill you. The Republic, Ogu kill your useless as shower mama. God go punish your mama. Your useless mad woman where born you for inside market. Your mad mama where born you for Benin, call they lie, they claim Urobo. Ogu kill you. Idiot. See say my husband be like you. My husband they come social media. My husband they come social media, come they follow now they do nonsense. Now go they inform that they lie say na be Benin, na be Urobo. Don't see any Urobo person they do saga. Ogu kill you. Idiot. Mute this idiot. The lie say you be Urobo.
Who be the bastard wey want my mute? Amara tell me the bastard, my mute the bastard Mama Toto.
I don't go ask my husband.
Now the Mama Toto one day mute.
One day when him I'm with you guys. Big up.
No, well, Oracle, who supposed to talk now? Lily they busy. If Lily they busy, make another person talk now.
No,
I be frank, I don't finish.
Franca, are you there? Franca.
This Uwasofia self, I don't even know where this Uwasofia stand. I just the work every platform.
Because of where I did know is that's why I moved.
Uwasofia will be say I don't know where tomorrow it be do, next tomorrow it be IPOB. Uwasofia na confused human being.
They fight for.
They fight for ancestors.
Uwasofia na confusion is.
Mena leave her beg.
Okay. Well, I know they tell us we will leave her. We know they leave, we no leave us. I will leave there.
Just leave her.
Musa, go down. Make her bring one person come up. Maybe Nangbada.
What Sophia will be crazy? So they shot Igbo people. You say we will leave her. I will leave her.
They say
Who
now
don't leave us? We don't leave them. No, they tell us we will leave them.
Irrelevant.
Don't mind them. Useless rebound.
Character of narcissists. Not be we say made them they train there as a narcissist. Made them they grow up as a narcissist.
Not be we. Casey Black, where are you from? Casey, unmute yourself. Nah. Why carry you go Plutomania?
Good down, not may your blood not the hurt too much, madam.
I don't understand. May my blood not the hot.
Black, Amara leave her mind engage and black. Who goes now? Waiting the sub. Talk fast. We don't get time.
The 122.
Okay, where are you from?
I'm from 042. The one bed.
042. Which side for 042?
You not gonna know the area. I be Enugu State boy.
Which side for 042, Baba?
Sorry, Igbo. Side
people, wait, make I bring you back. Because one day they remove them.
No. The moderator no get time to waste.
Oh yeah, this idiot was saying you robo liar. Yeah, you are the born for robo. They're going to scatter everywhere.
My expanding toto. Wait, my expanding toto first. Oh yeah, let's go. Republic.
wise. You are a
This one a bastard. You dey play. Wait, my first mute him, Mama Toto. Nah, Asari Dokubo this thing there, they come play for us. Your papa na mumu man.
Better for your papa. You are shower Benin papa. You know better for your papa.
These people, they very funny. I don't know carry this bastard go down. No worry, we don't need these people for here. This one, my baby will carry and go down.
You know if you talk now.
No, if here they catch them now, they don't feel come up, come talk
Benin
again.
and shower na 5 and 2. 5 and 6. Benin and shower. What will be your name? Casey, you cannot connect with Fasneto.
Amara ke ife na emezi buto ama me ife na agbala overspeed ke dey for buto na what for you.
Onwere ngwa patu ngwa wanne nya submission nke ya mara ha cool oda ngoro ka mwala pata no je abia wanne ke 411 waiting the sub. Nya your own submission na.
Kwa ofuma ye mo anwa afi igbe watago ife njitin alu ye maka wanne nwa anya e watago.
Speak English. The gift that
wait,
was not be because of me.
Amara, you only last. Now what for you? Why your body dey hot like this? Person dey talk to you, know they hear the language. The last now what for you?
Try to calm down, Amara. Calm down.
Amara, hold on.
Man, don't calm me down.
Calm down.
Amara, hold on now. Iwe man here with it.
If you are
Welcome back, my wonderful people, and I want to also play you another one. This one is coming from the Yoruba people telling the Beninese that they are one. And currently, Benin is saying that they are not one. So the question is, where Benin actually belong? They say they want to be empire. They want to be empire. Now, the people in that Edo state say they are not Benins. So are you telling me that the only community of Benin will be a country and be an empire? I don't know. People should think. But see what the Yoruba say. And see yet, people are countering the guy. Say, Benin is not the Yoruba, Benin Yoruba. Just watch this one.
We collect. If you talk to my dog anyhow, your Oba will collect. If you talk to my dog anyhow, your Oba will collect.
So what I'm trying to say is that the Benin in Edo, we know them very well. They know us. Or before the out form, you have contact. So what I'm saying that a group of people are trying to cause fracas between the Benin in Edo and the Yorubas. But we are very wise. So we are trying to maintain peace. We can never fight with Benin people. We can never. Even if you see that when sometimes when there is a fracas between the Benin people in Edo and we Yorubas, you can never say Yoruba man or Benin man will ever insult our king. We don't do that. Like me now, I'm from Yoruba family. So I respect my king. So when he says something I should follow, if it is something I should do, I will do. So we know each other. So Benin people, they are Yorubas. And also Yorubas, they are also Benin because of the gene. That's it. So that map is a fake map. I can tell you, if you ask any Yoruba man, they will say that you should cut off the Benin and Delta State from that. That's it.
It's not cut off because it actually came up after you went for your referendum in the UK.
No. You see, let me tell you something about Yorubas. Leave Sunday Igbo is just doing that one on his own. Yes.
He was supported. Steve,
let me tell you something. Sunday Igbo cannot. No, let me tell you something. Let me tell you something today. Sunday Igbo cannot dictate for us. That's just the fact. Anybody can do anything that he or she likes. That's it. How will you say that Benin is part of no or Delta State is too far now? No. We have enough land. Even the line in the University of Kogi and Kwara, they are also big now. Yeah, the whole Kwara State is bigger than a whole region in Nigeria, which I will not try to mention. So that we don't have any fight with anybody. We are cool.
Okay, that's fine. We are not, like I said before, we are not here to create. It's because people didn't realize that they have brothers and sisters from.
Yes. Like
so we are trying here. We are trying here, and about the map. Hold on. Everybody is talking. What we are trying to do here is to show that, listen, these people are your brothers and sisters. Okay.
Yes.
So there will not be confusion anymore. Do you understand?
Yes.
Because the map out there, I don't think it was created by anybody else than the person from that tribe.
No,
so
it was
Buchi, are you sure that's what you're trying to do, Go Buchi? Are you sure that's what you're trying to do?
It's not accepted.
In your heart of hearts, is that what you are trying to do?
Hold on. Who is talking? Who is talking right now?
This is Wicked Clown.
Anybody can create power for his own.
Are you sure you are trying to make us believe that we are brothers and sisters? Be honest with yourself, Ugo
Two people are talking at the same time.
Created the map if it's not your brothers and sister.
This is not, we are not talking about map right now, bros. I just asked Ugobuchi a question. Be honest with yourself. Are you sure you are trying to make the Benin man believe that the Yoruba man is his brother? Is that your true intention?
Okay.
Be honest with yourself.
Okay, hold on. Who is replying? You guys, I don't like this. You know that.
I will reply. What happens is that the Benin man and the Yoruba man, we are related. That's a fact. But if you want to go as Oduduwa today, Benin will never go with us. That's the fact.
Thank you.
That's a fact. That's a fact. And if they say no, it's okay. We have our own, everything is okay. This map is a fake map. If Yoruba land want to go to them, I'm telling you, Benin people will never say that they should come to us. It's a fact. It's a fact. So that's it. That's my submission. Thank you so much for the chance given to speak on your platform.
Please, I have questions.
Thank you, sir.
Okay,
God bless you, sir. Thank you.
Right. The next person is let me go to a Wicked Clown. Is it Bob?
Yeah, I wanna ask Steve question.
Squash, you need to mute. Squash, you need to mute.
Yes. Good morning, everybody, because it's morning where I am.
Good morning.
Yeah, I want to say this. Somebody said something about confusion a few minutes ago. I think that's Amadi, and I want to state this. The real confusion is when your house is on fire and you are trying to start a fire in somebody else's house. That is the real confusion. Now, that being said, I'm a bona fide son of the Benin land from Edo State, and if today anybody tell me, oh, you are a Yoruba boy, the Yoruba own you, I'm not going to talk. If they say, oh, it is you that own the Yorubas, I'm not going to talk. Because a reasonable person will see that these are tactics to distract or to divide the love, peace, and unity that has been existent between the Benin and the Yoruba people for a very long time. That love and existence did not start today. It did not start 100 centuries ago. You understand? Because if you check most of our names are related to each other. Like my daughter, I'm not going to mention her name, but her name is found prominently in the Yoruba kingdom. You understand? So that being said, I will advise every Edo person here. There are certain things you don't argue about. You know your culture, you know your history, you know where you come from.
My people, see this wahala. It's not ending today and tomorrow. I beg, drop your own opinion in the comment section and share the video.